giving you information. Please plot on your on the diagrams which is there in your PPT. Where will this appear? Theta 30 for sine. I want to see on your screens. Fast, on a faster speed. Mahad is doing correct. Haris is also doing correct. Little faster. Put the degree signs. Put the degree signs. So sine is around the x-axis. Sorry, my bad. Sine is around the y-axis. It reflects on the y. Cos reflects on the x. And tan makes a diagonal. Can you do it for the negative values? Minus 30, minus 60, and minus 26. Mahat, please put the angles. Mahat, put the name of the put the measure of the angles.
Documents.
And please check with the cast whether what you're doing is tallying with it.
We
Why
find the other.
154, Mahat? Why 154?
That
Just
is the other.
26. Just 26. Your theta is then acute value towards your x-axis. Yeah. Haris Kosan, yeah. Very good. No, Haris, acute around the x-axis. Acute around the x-axis. Okay. If you look at my screen, we would also tally it with the casts. And if I match it with the cast, I have my CAST. In the first and second quadrant, my sign is positive. Okay? Down when I go, my sign is negative in the third and the fourth quadrant. Casts. In the first and fourth quadrant, my cos is positive, and over here, all angles and tan is positive. So when I am plotting for this again, cos is negative over here, cos is negative over here. And over here, when I'm putting CAST, it is tan negative. So it's true tan is negative over here and tan is negative over here. Okay, now I start with the question. Okay, I want you to draw this diagram and try to solve along with me. Give me one person's whose screen I can watch. I will watch Haris's screen for the first sum and Mahad's screen for the next sum. Okay, come on. I have my tan theta is equal to minus 3. So if I have my tan theta, it is equal to minus 3. Can you tell me what my theta will be equal to?
If it's equal to minus 3.
Yeah, if I say my tan theta is equal to minus 3, can you tell me what my theta will be equal to? Can I say my theta is equal to tan inverse of minus 3?
Yeah, which is
My
minus
theta is
71.
minus 71.57. Yeah,
Yeah,
so I
which
say
is
my
gonna be the face value.
yeah, this is going to be my principal value of the theta, which is minus 71.57. and I want to find all the values of theta, which is going to be between 0 to 540. And this is how I'm going to use my casts. I'm going to use my cast to find all the values of theta. Can you give me any example of how will I start with? Anything of how do I start with?
Theta plus 360. Sorry, 180.
No, a better example of how will I start with. First thing I need to do is I need to plot my principal value of the theta, that is minus 71.6. So when I go, I will write, if it is negative, do I go in the anti-clockwise direction?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So can I write my 90, 180 in the anti-clockwise direction? Okay.
Yeah.
Or I just write my minus 90 in the anti-clockwise direction to plot the negative angle.
0.6 to 180.
First thing that I'm going to do, I will write my 71.6. Can you tell me your 71.6 will be over here? Year, or year?
Fourth
Where will
quadrant.
my 71.6 be? Which quadrant?
Fourth.
It will be in the
Oh,
fourth quadrant. So I will plot my 71.6, that is going to be in the fourth quadrant. If I see over here, my theta is minus 71.6. When I am going in the anti-clockwise direction, I already proved that it is minus 71.6, but just for reference, I'm writing minus over here. Are you with me?
yeah.
This also tells us that in this quadrant, only the cos is positive, the tan is negative. Even this is done. Correct?
Yeah.
Now I want to find the values between 0 to 540. What will I do is I will write all the values which is going in the positive direction. 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. This will become 450 and this is becoming 540. Do I start now?
Miss,
I
how
will
did you
start.
get 90 on top? It's
It
Now
should
I
270.
be
now
270.
now I want to have all the angles between 0 to 540. After I plot my principal value of 71.57, which is in the anti-clockwise direction, to get all my angles, I will go in the positive direction. Only to plot this, I will use the negative one, anti-clockwise. We are using the cuts to have all the angles between our range. I hope you're with me. Are you with me?
Yes.
Okay. Since I know it is tan, so my other angle of tan would come over here where it will still be negative. Tan goes diagonally.
Yeah.
It
So
will
to move
really not matter whether we are plotting sine, cos, tan, whatever. I am plotting my theta, which is minus 71.57 or approximately 71.6. And because tan goes diagonally, I have plotted the other one. Now I will try to have all the values of theta between 0 to 540. We will start in the clockwise direction now. I'm starting from here. I want you all also to start along with me. I'm going in the clockwise direction, clockwise direction, clockwise direction. I am hitting the place where my tan is going to be 71.6. Come on, tell me, is this the first angle after 71.6?
Yeah.
Okay. What will be the value of this angle be? Can I say the value of this angle is 180 minus theta?
Yeah.
So it's going to be 180 minus 71.6. So I can say this is 108.4. Are
Yeah.
you with me? I'm going ahead. I'm going ahead. I am going ahead in my anti-clockwise, in my clockwise direction, and I am hitting again to my tan, the principal value over here, the second time. Can you tell me what will be the value of this? Will it be 360 minus theta?
Yeah, it'll be 360 minus theta.
360 minus 71.6, which gives it 288.4.
Yeah.
I'm going ahead. I reach over here. I complete one unit circle, which is at 360. Are you all with me?
Yeah.
I want between 0 to 540, so I'm continuing again. I am hitting 450 and I hit the line again. So, what will be the value of my theta b? I'm here. I want this
The value of my theta would be 540 minus theta.
540 minus theta. Very good. So, it's going to be 540 minus theta, that is 71.6. So, this is making it 468.4. Should I go ahead because I want up till 540? I'm going ahead. I'm going ahead. I'm stopping over here. I stop. It's over because I want everything between 0 to 540. So after I plotted my principal value of theta, which was here and here, I started with the direction of my unit circle. I completed one unit circle. I did not complete the second unit circle, but I stopped at 540. When I started from here, my first angle was this 180 minus theta. Second angle was this 360 minus theta. Third angle was this, which was 540 minus theta. And this is how I got all the values of theta, that is going to give me minus 3. Are you with me?
Yeah.
But if you see, I've got how many values?
3,
Four
4.
values. I want three. Which three to take?
1 is our principal value, so we
Only
leave
the
that.
positive ones.
We want between 0 to 540. This is
Yeah.
negative. I do not want this. So the values would be 108.4, 288.4, and 468.4. And this is done. So we are going to use the cast diagram for finding out the equivalent values rather than making the graph, because from here to ahead it's going to help us, and even for the complicated sums it's going to help us. So I want you to try the next one. I'm giving you 3 minutes time to try the next one. So if you look over here, this is a question wherein I want to find cos theta. And what is my cos theta equal to? My cos theta is equal to 0.31. So can you tell me what my theta would be equal to?
71.94.
Would be cos inverse of 0.31, which is equal to 71.9, which is going to be my first value to plot the principal one, CAST. So my theta is 71.9. Okay.
Miss,
And because,
correct 2 decimal places.
sorry,
2 decimal places.
whatever, let it be. It's okay for approx. Give me the second value, 71.9 what?
71.94.
9, right? 9 4?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So now I'll take the second one. It is cos is positive. So cos would be positive over here and here. So this is 71.94. Now, if you see the range is between minus 180 to 360. Can you see this?
Yeah.
In this scenario, I'm going to break the range into two parts. The first part I'm going to break it is that the theta is going to be between 0 to 360. This would be my first part. And my second part would be that my theta is between minus 180 to 0. I hope you're with me.
Yeah.
Okay, so my theta is going to be between 0 to 360 and it is going to be between minus 180 to 0. So first I will start finding for the first part. Understand, I had only plotted my principal value of the theta. I have only plotted the principal value of my theta. Now I will start. I want between 0 to 360, so I'll put 0, 90, 180 and 270 and I'm starting to plot. I hope you're with me. I start from 0, I'm going up. Tell me, where is it hitting? First
The
time.
71.94.
So my first theta is 71.94 degree. I am going to proceed. I will proceed down 180, 180, 180, 180. I'm hitting again to my line. What is my next value?
360 minus 71.9.
360 minus 71.94. I go up and I stop at 360. I hope you are with me. Now, my second range is the minus range, which is between 0 to 180 degrees. When it is the minus range, I go not in the clockwise direction, but I would go in the anti-clockwise direction. That means I am going to go from where to where? I'm going to go from here to this direction. I will first mark in chunks of 90 the negative values, which is going to be minus 90, minus 180, minus 270, and minus 360. I hope you are with me. Yeah? Yes or no?
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So now because my range is the negative range, I will go in the reverse direction. I'm starting from 0. I'm going the other side and I'm hitting it over here. Now, because I'm going in this direction, my angle will no longer be 71.94, but it is going to be minus 71.94. So it's 0. I'm going from 0 to the down direction. So my third theta would be minus 71.94. I hope you're with me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then I will go complete the unit circle. My range is minus 180. I stop over here. So these are my three possible values of the theta. Please do it. I'll wait for you.
You're muted.
So my next question says I want to find the value of theta between 180 to minus 180. And since this is not a single theta, you should know that this is a question of transformation. Okay, so before doing anything to the cast diagram, I will first find the value of this entire bracket rather than finding the value of theta. Let's see what I'm trying to tell you. My question is sine 2 theta minus 20 is equal to 0.98. So I would do 2 theta minus 20 and what am I going to get? Will I get 79 degrees? Please put on the calculator and check.
How are you getting 79?
Sine inverse of 0.98.
Okay.
Sine inverse of 0.98
78.52.
78.52. I want up till 1 decimal places, so it is 78.5.
Yeah.
I hope you're with me. I want to round it off for simplicity right now, so I'm making it 79. Okay. If this is not given to you in your exam, you can always round it off. Nearest this side or that side, it's fine. I'm going to round this off right now to 79. I've got my principal value. Okay. Now understand, I do not want to find the theta, but I will redefine my range. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Hello. Are you with me? Okay, fine.
Yeah.
So tell me, where will my 79 go?
79 will go
The
in the
first
first
quadrant.
quadrant.
It will go on the first quadrant. So I am going to put my 79 on the first quadrant.
And the second.
It's a positive value. So I'm putting my 79 on the second quadrant. So the values that I'm getting for 2 theta minus 20 is equal to 79. Now I want this in the range of minus 80 to 180. So tell me, how will I do it? I will do it between 0 to 180 first, and then I will do my theta between minus 180 to 0. I hope you're with me. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is going to be 0, 90, 180, 270, and 360. First, I'm going to do between 0 to 180. So it is going to be how much?
First value will be 79.
And the second value will be 180 minus 79, which is 101.
Okay, fine. Am I looking at theta or am I looking at 2 theta?
2 theta minus 20. So we can
So 1 minute,
divide
wait.
by 2.
1 minute, wait. My range is between minus 180 to 180. If I was looking at theta, I would stop this and I would stop at 180. Are you with me? But what am I looking at? I'm not looking at the range of theta. I am looking at the range of 2 theta minus 20. Are you with me? So what I want to do is, come on, tell me, what will I do?
Do we substitute in the value of theta?
First, I will multiply both the sides by 2. I'm from theta, I want to convert this into 2 theta minus 20. So first, what will I do? I will multiply both the sides by 2. So this is going to be 2 into minus 180 in the range of 2 theta and 2 into 180. I hope you're with me. So this is going to be 180 into 2. So this is going to be minus 360, 2 theta, and 360. I hope you're with me.
Miss, I think there's a what?
I do not want the range for theta. I want the range for 2 theta minus 20. First, sort this out.
Okay, yeah.
So I need to change my range for theta to 2 theta minus 20. I want the middle value to become 2 theta minus 20. So the first thing I did is I multiplied with 2. Sort this out first. Are you clear with this?
No, miss.
No. Okay, I'll take you to another page. My range was minus 180 2 theta to 180. Yes?
Yeah.
And we are solving for a transformation which is 2 theta minus 20, which gives it 79 degree. Are you with me?
Yeah.
I am solving not for the theta, I am solving for the transformation of 2 theta minus 20. So the middle has to be converted into 2 theta minus 20.
Hmm.
Please. Now since I want to convert it into 2 theta minus 20, I will multiply everything by 2. So it's going to be 2 into minus 180 here, and it's going to be 2 into 180 here.
Where did you get the 2 from?
I'm trying to convert this to this because I am solving for a transformation. I'm trying to make this theta into 2 theta minus 20 because I'm solving for a transformation.
Okay.
Are you with me?
Yeah.
So this makes it minus 360 is less than 2 theta is less than 360. I'm solving for 2 theta minus 20. So this is going to be minus 20, minus 20, minus 20. So my range becomes minus 380 with 2 theta minus 20 and 340. I hope you're with me. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Haris, are you with me?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Now what will I do? I need to break this one into positive and one into negative. So this 2 theta minus 20 would be from 0 to 340,
Yeah.
and it would be 2 theta minus 20 would be from minus 380 to 0. These are the two values that I'm going to work for. Please tell me if you're clear or you're not clear.
Clear.
What are the two values that I'm going to work for is, I'll just
Minus
take,
380 to 0 and 0 to 340.
okay, fine. Just let me take it to a bigger page so that it's more easier for you to understand. I got my 2 theta. I got my 2 theta minus 20 is equal to 79 degree. And the two ranges that I'm going to work for, we got minus 380 is less than 2 theta minus 20 to 340. So I'm going to work for two ranges. My first range would be 0 to 340, and second range would be minus 380 to 0. I hope you're with me. Now I start making my casts. CAST. This is for sine. My principal value is 79 degree, and it is going to be positive 79 degree. You're with me? Now I define my boundaries, which is 0, 90, 180, 360, and it's for 340. No problem. I will start with 0. My first hit is 79. My first hit is 79. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Second hit is
second hit is gonna be 180 minus 79.
I'll go round and round and round and round and round, and I stop at
340.
340. That means it's not completing.
Yeah,
So 180 minus 79 is going to make it 101 degree. I hope both of you are with me.
yeah.
Now I go to my second range. What is my second range? It is between minus 380 to 0. So I have my negative values: minus 90, minus 180, minus 270, minus 360, and I would have a minus 380 over here. I hope you're with me. Are you with me?
Yeah.
My second round would be the anti-clock direction because I am looking at a negative range.
Miss, how is minus 30 less than minus 360?
Sorry? I am just defining my range, darling.
Okay, my bad.
90, 80, 270, 360 and minus 380. I have to stop my circle at minus 380. Yeah? And these two are my
Yeah.
principal values. Now I'll decide my hit. I'll start from here. I'm going in the other direction. I'm hitting the minus 980. I've hit the minus 180 and I'm here. What I need. Come on, what is the third value?
180 plus 79.
Is it minus 180?
Yeah.
Okay. It is minus 180 plus 79. What is the third value?
Minus 101.
It's going to be minus 101. Or is it going to be minus 180 minus 79 because it's the anti-clock direction? Because it is the anti-clock direction,
Yeah.
I'm going to be minus 180 minus 79.
Yeah, that was my confusion.
Minus 180 minus 79, so it's going to be minus 259 degrees. I'll continue my circle here. I'm hitting it over here. Come on.
So minus 360 minus 79.
Now here you are doing a mistake.
Once we hit it here, it's
It's going to
gonna
be
be
minus
minus
360
two.
or you could say it's minus 270
Miss,
plus this angle.
It's gonna be
don't
minus
we
360
stop?
plus 78.5.
Minus 360 plus 79.
Miss,
Yeah.
shouldn't we stop at minus 180?
We have to stop at minus 380, na?
How? Oh, okay, okay.
Hmm?
Yeah.
So it is going to be minus 281 degrees.
Why?
What, why? You did the first exercise, still you're asking me why. Come here, start. I'm starting with the negative one. I'm going here, it's minus 90, minus 180, and I'm still adding a minus. So this is going to be minus 180 minus 79 because I'm adding it. My circle is going like this.
Okay.
Are you with me?
Yeah.
Now I'm going ahead. I'll go ahead. My hit is over here. It's minus 270 and I am stopping over here. I need this click over here. So I am not going to do 360 plus 79. I will take it to minus 360 and I'm going to minus this. So I'm going
Yeah.
to add the 79. So it's going to be minus 360 at the 79. Mahad, if you remember, I had taught you one example.
Mm. Yeah,
Minus
Miss, I remember
minus
that.
1 is minus 4,
Yeah,
and minus 3 plus 1 is 2.
-2.
Yeah, minus 2. So over here, I am stopping over here. So if I take from this, it would be 360. If I add minus 79, it goes down over here. But
Yes, yes.
if I'm adding plus 79, it will give me this angle. So
Got
it
it,
is
Miss.
minus 281 degrees. I hope you're with me. So my four transformations was, for the transformation, it was 2 theta minus 20 is 79 degree, the first angle. The second angle is 101 degree. The third angle is minus 259 degree. And the fourth angle is minus 281 degree. Are you with me?
Yeah.
It's not ending over here, please. This is the equivalent angles for the transformation. The values of all these angles will be same. But now I'm looking at the theta. After I find the equivalent angles, in this I am going to do plus 20 and then divided by 2 to get my theta. So that is why I told you that was wrong. Here I will do plus 20 divide by 2. Here I will do plus 20 divided by 2. And here again I will do minus 281 plus 20 divided by 2. You know why I did plus 20 and divided by 2?
Yeah.
Okay. Now to get the value of theta. So this becomes 49.5, 60.5, 119.5, and minus 130.5. So when you told me over here that for sine 2x plus 1, you're going to do 2x plus 1 equal to 0, and then you do x is equal to minus 1 by 2, I told you it is absolutely wrong, because you will first need to change your range to this transformation, then you will get the equivalent angles, and then you would do minus 1 divided by 2. Okay? Please try this once yourself.